Hey there guys, welcome back to another ration review, and today we have a Mountain House freeze-dried meal. Now this is rice and chicken. Now that sounds delicious. Let's have a close look and then try it out. All right, here it is, and this is Mountain House Savor the Adventure. I'm guessing that's their slogan. Now this of course is freeze-dried rice and chicken. This is one serving. It says it's ready in less than 10 minutes. Just add water, no cleanup. Very nice. You get 60 grams. We have some type of description. And here's the nutrition facts if you guys want to read that. Ingredients. Made by Oregon Freeze Dry, which they make some of the US LRP rations. Here's the instructions. Just add water, close it. There we go. And this ration has a really long shelf life, best by 2027. So these are perfect for storage, perfect for that zombie apocalypse. So yeah, let's prepare it. Let's get it started and let's open it up. Got a tear notch. And let's get rid of this. There you can see some of the chicken, the rice, and I guess we can try it. All right, let's try it by itself. There we go. Yeah, it's actually not that bad by itself. It's a little bit dry and the texture is just crunchy. Yeah, let's get some water in there. And yeah, I love this canteen cup. One of my favorites. All right. Let's give it a stir. And it looks like it's gonna be a little bit runny, a little bit soupy, but that's all right. There we have it. So let's close it up. A little shake. So we'll give it about 10 to 15 minutes just to make sure it's fully reconstituted or rehydrated. Then we'll come back to it. It's been about 10 minutes. Let's see what it looks like. And there we have it. And yeah, looks a little bit soupy. And it looks like we're having chicken and rice soup. Nothing wrong with that. And let's get a bowl. And we have something on the bottom, and it says, you got to be careful if you don't know where you're going because you might not get there. This is by Yogi Berra. So, very neat. Let's give this a stir. All right, let's give it a try. There you can see some of the chicken, what appears to be carrots, red bell peppers, and of course the rice. And let's grab a nice big bite. Get some of that soup. Now that looks really good. All right, let's go. Oh wow. That is fantastic. Let's grab another bite. This was an excellent meal. Great flavor, great texture. Everything was spot on. It doesn't need any seasoning, any salt. It's got a nice tasty chicken flavor. The rice and the chicken, just the right texture. What can I say? Mountain House pulled it off. They did an excellent job. On a scale from 1 to 10, I would have to give this a solid 8.8 out of 10. It's really good. It's a must try. Go out and get it. And I hope you guys enjoyed the video. This was the Mountain House freeze-dried chicken and rice, or rice and chicken. And if you liked the video, please hit that thumbs up and subscribe. And as always, thank you guys for watching. See you soon.